Welcome back to Quick Sixer. It's your boys and your girl. Almost the whole crew, minus Nathaniel. Doing a little flip flop. This is gonna be Brittany's brew review for October 2025. And a little flip side on this. So Brittany usually is the one doing the tastings, but she brought me a bevy of nastiness to try. So we're gonna try this. So before I this is gonna be coming on the 12th of October. So let's not introduce what you guys are drinking right now, but I'll show what these things are. So Angry Orchard put out a what is it called, Brittany? The
Jason Universe pack.
Okay, so
I think it
Jason
was like
Universe
the
pack.
Let's Get Freaky pack or something like that. Because they can't use Friday the 13th because of the legal like rights and stuff. So I think it was called Jason Universe and then called it the Freaky Pack.
Okay, I'm looking it up right now just to check. A Freaky Season.
The Freaky
Angry
Season.
Freaky Season. That's what it's called. Yeah, so there's a whole bunch of merch for this thing. Which the merch is cool, I think, honestly.
Yeah. I think we talked a little bit about it because I was doing I had one of the flavors on one of the past episodes. I don't remember which one it was.
Yeah. So
the cranberry one, I think.
Yeah, you had the cranberry. That the one that you wanted? No, you wanted me to have the blood. Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So these things, they come. There's a Sinful Apple. What is it? Oh, I got it right here, don't I? What? No. I have two of them. Okay, two of the four. Berry Bewitched, Blood Orange, and Headless Pumpkin.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the four. And the you can look it up. It's angryorchard.com/Halloween. The box glows in the dark too, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah, the packaging's pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty rad stuff. But Brittany said that. Oh, I should just scroll down. They're all right here. Anyway, so Brittany said I should try the blood orange one because she thinks it tastes like throw up. So I made Meg taste it first. I haven't touched it. Okay.
Oh, you haven't?
Promise for real. I haven't touched it, but this is it. I did open it. So here it is.
See, it's cool. Like
it's very cool
package. Yeah.
Apparently, this one glows in the dark, right? Does this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And like the box, yeah.
Very cool. Not looking forward to it. 5%. And here's the Berry Bewitched. Yeah, it's pretty cool too. And then Brittany also brought these other ones. I'm just gonna show it. These aren't part of the pack, but sour apple and pina colada.
That was the pack that I ordered off Instacart that I thought I was getting the Jason Universe ones, but the Instacart shopper brought me those instead.
You didn't tell us that last time. That sucks.
So
I'm not going to add those to the lineup of picking, by the way.
No, you don't need to.
Because that sucks. But okay, let's see what this thing looks like. And then we'll just, if you guys have questions. Fuck. I'm super not looking forward to this.
Other people liked it, but I need confirmation from someone else.
So Brittany, you've tried this one?
Yeah.
And you said it tastes like throw up.
It tastes like vomit. 100%.
And Meg didn't say anything or what?
She said it didn't taste like anything. So I was like, okay.
Interesting.
This is like a light blood red, like watered down blood, I guess. Okay. Fuck it, right? Whatever. I'm not excited.
I like how you psych yourself up or something like this. You're just going to make it worse.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
See, I wish I would have not told you what I thought, so that way, you're just gonna take it. Oh, that's terrible. Good God. What is it? Okay.
It's done. It's out of my way.
That's one way to handle it.
You got a sink, right? You could have just dumped that thing out.
Yeah, right.
This thing can't get. Oh, it's gluten free, so that's a plus.
Yeah, I think all Angry Orchards are.
All right,
for
cool.
the most part.
All right, cool.
I could be
So
lying about
my opinion on my 2 sips. It's not that bad. It's not that great. But this is definitely something I would not order.
that.
But I
Okay, but you're
disagree
not
with
getting
the throw up.
vomit. Like
Did
you're not
you?
getting vomit notes.
Mm-mm. Did you?
Okay.
Did you throw up before you had this? Like,
No.
was
You
there?
had a bad one.
Yeah,
No,
you-
I didn't have anything before it. I just like that was the first beer I had of the day, and I could barely drink it.
It's like
I mean,
the
I did.
aftertaste of it, or
Yeah, it was like the aftertaste. It was like, you know how your mouth feels after
Oh,
like
yeah.
you get sick?
yeah, like
It's
that's
like
I'm
that,
getting
like-
that. I'm getting that a little bit.
Like before you have to like go and brush your teeth.
yeah, that's what
I know
happens
what
when
you're.
drink
I know what you're
Yoo-hoo.
taking. I know what it is.
Terrible.
When you drink
taste.
what, Adam?
Yoo-hoo.
Oh, yeah. That's fair.
I know what it is, B.
What?
It's like that slight taste of bile that you get, like still in your mouth, either
Uh-huh.
before or after you throw up.
Uh-huh.
It's that. That's the.
It's like you know
aftertaste.
it's coming. You're just like your whole body's like,
Yeah,
Oh, no.
like you can feel it, like bubbling up. That's what this is.
yeah, it's bad. All
But-
the other flavors are good. That
Okay.
one was terrible. That's
Well,
why I gave it to you.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. I got a couple of things coming your way too. I'm gonna show you
Hell yeah.
in a minute. But okay, yeah, not bad. If you're a blood orange fan, I can see this being like your shit. Honestly, this is like it tastes very blood orangey.
Mm.
But yeah, not a fan. I'm
Oh.
giving it a 2.25 on the on the scale.
That's too much.
Oh, okay.
That's
I mean,
too
it was.
high.
I'm giving it the 0.25 over the 2 because very crushable, obviously.
Well,
So
the crushable as in you needed to get it out of your way. Crushable not as enjoyable.
yeah.
I
Those are
didn't
two
set
different
the terms
factors.
onto the crushableness. Okay. But anyways, that's Brittany's brew review. Come back next week on the 18th to come check our next episode. Until then, we out.